This is being seen as a stress test of the rule of law. The astonishing events that have played out around New York City's Mayor Eric Adams in recent days have heightened fears that Trump is trampling all over the rule of law. Last week, the US Department of Justice moved to drop criminal charges against Adams in what many regard as a blatant quid pro quo. Adams pleaded not guilty to corruption charges back in September. He denies allegations that he asked for the case to be dropped in exchange for supporting Trump's hardline immigration agenda. Well, on Wednesday, Mayor Adams is going to be facing a federal judge who will decide whether or not to grant the Justice Department's request to dismiss the corruption charges. This follows a week-long clash among government lawyers that led to resignations by several top prosecutors, both here in New York City and in Washington, D.C., who refused to seek dismissal, one of them saying only a fool would comply with the order. Well, the head of New York City Council has called for Eric Adams to resign. The governor is considering removing him from office. Several deputy mayors have said that they are going to quit. Now, remember that Eric Adams, who is a former cop, was actually elected as a Democrat, but then he drifted towards the right, especially after Trump was elected and after Adams faced prosecution. Well, this city's heavily Democratic, and now Adams is really seen here as an ally to Trump. He's even been flirting with the idea of becoming a Republican. A recent social media post from Trump in which he quoted French Emperor Napoleon encapsulates all of this. The quote was, "He who saves his country does not violate any laws." Essentially, a totally dictatorial approach to the law. New Yorkers and legal experts are sounding the alarm, saying that both Trump and Adams are undermining the US judicial system and American democracy.
Jessica Le Masurier.